In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail labels. So the first thing I'm going to do here is open up Gmail and make sure I'm inside my account. Once Gmail loads, you should see the main dashboard with your inbox and all of your emails listed in the center of the screen. Now that we're inside Gmail, the first place we're going to go is the inbox. On the left side of the screen, you'll usually see a menu with different sections like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and other folders. I'm just going to click on Inbox so we can see the list of emails that have been received. Once the inbox opens up, you'll see all your messages displayed in a list. Each email shows the sender, the subject line, and a preview of the message. What we're going to do now is pick one email so we can apply a label to it. So I'm just going to find any email here in the inbox list and select it. You can choose whichever message you want. The goal here is simply to show how labels work and how you can apply them to organize your emails. Now that I've chosen an email, I'm going to move my cursor over that message and right click on it. When you right click on the email, a menu appears with several options related to that message. From that menu, look for the option that says Label As. Once you see it, go ahead and click on Label As. This opens a list of labels that are available in your Gmail account. At this point, you'll see the list of labels that already exist. Labels are basically categories that help you organize emails so they're easier to find later. Instead of letting everything stay in the inbox, you can place emails under different labels to keep things organized. So from the list that appears, go ahead and choose the label you want to use. I'm just going to select one from the list here. As soon as I click on that label, Gmail applies it to the email. Once that's done, the message is now associated with that label. The email stays in your account, but now it's grouped under that selected label so you can find it easily later on. You can repeat the same process anytime you want to organize messages. Just go to your inbox, choose an email, right click on it again, click Label As, and then pick the label you want from the list. This makes it really simple to keep emails sorted without needing to move them around manually. Labels act like categories that help keep everything structured inside Gmail. So just to quickly go through the process again while we're here, I'm inside Gmail, I've clicked on Inbox to view my emails, then I selected a message from the list. After that, I right clicked on the email, clicked Label As, and then chose a label from the list that appeared. And once the label is selected, Gmail automatically applies it to that email. From that point forward, the message is connected to that label and organized along with other emails that use the same one. So anytime you want to organize emails in Gmail, you can follow this same process. Open your inbox, pick the email you want to organize, right click it, choose Label As, and then select the label from the list. Once you do that, Gmail takes care of the rest and the email is now grouped under that label.